In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at Sygnus Credit Investments. Here's Deidre Thomas.
Founded on the principles of the 3 I's, innovation, integrity, and independence, Sygnus Credit Investment, a leading alternative investment management company, is carving out a niche for itself in the competitive world of wealth management. Beresford Gray serves as the CEO.
What we do is actually provide investment solutions in 3 different asset classes: private credit, real estate, and private equity. Our private credit business involves investing in medium-sized firms across the Caribbean, and we do that in various ways by giving senior investment, i.e. senior debt, subordinated debt, mezzanine, and a wide array of flexible financing solutions that help medium-sized firms to really grow their businesses.
Having raised $50 million in a preference shares offer in 2023, Mr. Gray credits its tailored investment strategies for clients.
Apart from our alternative investment, Sygnus also is a leader in the investment banking space, where we help companies to do APO, IPOs, debt capital markets transactions such as bonds, preference shares, advisory, M&A advisory, debt restructuring, and other advisory services that are familiar products in investment banking.
However, 3 years into the business, with the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the company had setbacks.
With COVID and the various supply chain issues and other issues that happened during 2020 to 2022, you have the delays in various projects, including One Belmont. I must say that in reality, the delay and the impact on One Belmont has not been severe as it has been for other projects that push us back a little.
Now, present in 3 Caribbean countries, Sygnus is experiencing aggressive growth.
We have seen exceptional growth over the last 5-6 years, and today, geographically, we are present in Jamaica, Puerto Rico, and St. Lucia. Today, we are managing somewhere just about $480 million in asset, US dollar that is, which is significant for an alternative manager in the region.
But Mr. Gray says some changes are needed to support alternative investments in Jamaica.
One, you can have specific legislation like in Jamaica for private equity investment that give significant and competitive tax advantages. For real estate, and I've been a long-term advocate of this, we really need to have specific REIT laws in Jamaica that will again attract and mobilize capital into vehicles that are designed as REITs, with similar to what you have in North America. Real estate is by far probably the largest asset class in the world, and in every wealthy country. Then this is how they allow capital to mobilize into real estate, by creating REIT laws.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.